Hi there, please like and subscribe. Swipe whiteboards. My board shared spaces here. Top plus. Yeah, top. We can draw, color. Top. We can change color. We can text and we can add text. We can add note. We can add emoji. We can share, copy link, or enter name or email address. Rename, export as PDF, delete by tapping. Here we can open an Webex device, rename, delete, share. Please like and subscribe.